So this is Charlie. Charlie is one of our 5 cockatiels, male cockatiels. Let's turn off that other camera, shall we? And Charlie came to us with Joey, who is currently sitting on my shoulder. Hey Joey. Charlie and Joey came together. If you've already watched the Joey video, you'll pretty much know the story. There's a little bit more to add with Charlie. Hey Charlie. Yeah. So Charlie didn't come to us called Charlie. And they're all off. Little boogers. Yeah, so Charlie came to us as Ross. They were Ross and Joey, as in Ross and Joey from Friends. We didn't like the name Ross, it didn't seem to fit little Charlie. And so we changed his name to Sledge, as in Sledgehammer, the TV program. But that didn't really fit either. So eventually he became known as Charlie. Not sure exactly how. I think he was named after Charlie Borman, but I'm not sure now. Lost in the mists of time. I have to ask my wife. Anyway, he's the king of our cockatiels. They all love Charlie. They all follow Charlie. Charlie, in my opinion, is the best looking of our cockatiels. He's a standard grey cockatiel, but he's a very handsome boy. His feathers and plumage are always lovely. Yeah, so he had a little injury with his eye thanks to a little tussle with Tweety. And so he's got a couple of little feathers that grow out of place around his right eye now. Just ruined his good looks slightly, but he's still a very handsome boy. He's a very friendly bird, and he absolutely adores my wife. He won't sing to me, but he sings to my wife. Hey Charlie, you gonna come over and say hello? So here's a shot of Joey and Charlie when we first got them in their cage inside our house. I found some old footage, so let's take a look at that now. Stop now. Charlie, you gonna come over and talk? Here is the 2 latest members of our bird menagerie. It's Joey on the left and Sledge on the right. They will be going out into the Pheasantasiam. I just need to acclimatise them to the weather first. Hello boys. Time for breakfast.
They're standing very still.
The next introduction. What's that, Fry and Leela? Is that Joey? What do you think of the outside world, guys? And Charlie's best friend was little Joey here. They were inseparable when we first got them. Everywhere Charlie went, Joey went. But after some time... Oh, Charlie's just landed on my head. Oh, Fry's just landed on my head. Chase Charlie off. Joey and Charlie were inseparable, but eventually over time Joey's sort of become his own bird and is not so dependent on Charlie anymore. But that has led to Fry being Charlie's best friend. And so now Charlie can't go anywhere. It's Charlie on the left without Fry on the right there, following him around. And the same can kind of be said of these two. Joey sort of does his own thing now, but he's usually closely followed by Poopy. But they all still love Charlie. Anything happens to Charlie, they love it. And here's a shot of Charlie when he was in a cage after an injury. Just have a look at the way the seals react. As you can see, they've all missed Charlie. Charlie is the head cockatiel, basically. Joey used to love him immensely, didn't you, Joey? But now Joey and Poopy are good friends, and Fry absolutely adores Charlie. And look at them all singing to each other. This is Charlie's favourite little spot. It's basically just a little house type bit that I made with the rafters on the roof of the... Oi, you're strangling me, Joe. The joist on the roof there. So Charlie loves to sit up in here and guard this and won't let any other teal in there if he's in there. And when the other teals go in there, he will chase them out. It's his little spot. So these are our cockatiels. There's Charlie on the left, followed by Poopy, followed by Fry, and Leela on the right. As you can see, 3 of them are standard greys, and Fry is a bit silver. And then there's little Joey. He's a white-faced cockatiel, ain't ya? They're all males, and they all live here in the Pheasantasiam. Got them all at different times. First of all, we got Fry and Leela. Then we got Joey and Charlie. And Poopy was last. Poopy was meant to be a girl. Poopy there in the centre of shot. And Leela was meant to be a girl. But they both turned out to be boys. What happens when you buy cockatiels too young? When they're young, they basically all look like females. Free again. He's going to get harassed for the rest of the day. I love you, Charlie. Look after your eye. You can follow it around. And straight back into usual routine. Like nothing's changed. You go in there, you're going to end up with a sore eye again, Charlie. Right, you lot, behave.